So today we are making elderberry syrup using a recipe that I found on the internet. Oh, hi, it's me. Got about 3 minutes left to go. It's been simmering for about an hour. The house smells great. I will show you what the process looks like. So this is actually my first time making elderberry syrup, so anybody watching this is probably like, what is that dummy doing? And simmering for about an hour. My directions said to basically let the liquid reduce to almost half, and then let it cool until it's cool enough to be handled. So whatever that means. Since it's supposed to cool until it's cool enough to handle, I thought, well, it would be a good idea to take off the lid. This is them, the elderberries, and apparently once it's cool enough, I will mash the berries and then strain it and add the honey, raw and unfiltered. Really, I guess you would want to use a honey source that is local to you. However, I thought this would be the next best thing. It is made by North American bees, allegedly. The method or the recipe calls for mashing the berries carefully using a spoon or other flat utensil. So while it's still somewhat warm, I mean, you can see the steam coming off of it, I'm just going ahead and starting that process. So the other thing that I've done is I've gone ahead and pre-measured my honey in this big measuring cup, which I'm also going to be straining my liquid directly into fewer measuring cups and fewer dirty things in the sink is my MO. So I would talk a little bit about the elderberries that I got. I actually got this bag on Amazon. It's a 1 pound bag. I will post a link to the ones that I got. One thing that the recipe did not call for specifically is essential oils, and I just had this thought that I would like to go ahead and infuse the honey that's going to go, that will be incorporated into the elderberry syrup with ginger and clove. One of the things that makes elderberry syrup so great for its immune boosting properties is clove, and there are already ground cloves in the recipe, and also ginger, but essential oils are very powerful and more powerful than the dried herb counterparts. And clove has the highest amount of antioxidants of anything on the planet. I'm just kind of guessing about how many drops to put in here. Ginger. Do 4. Ginger. I don't know. Just kind of guessing. This is all new to me. My elderberry syrup will have essential oils in it. Oh yeah, look at all that immune boosting goodness. I just tried some and it is very spicy. It's a little more spicy than the store-bought that I used. When I do this again, I will definitely tone down the clove. I think it could probably do like 3 drops instead of 7. I personally don't mind it. Again, it's not like I'm going to be using this in a recipe or anything. I view this as medicine of sorts. Excited and proud of myself for doing this on my own.